Well, I got to say, this gold GLD kind of took me a little bit by surprise here as we saw the overall a pretty good swing back in 4% after it gapped down the prior day. And we saw this, and we were talking too about the fact that we were still seeing momentum to the downside. I really thought that we'd see some continuation to the 110 and maybe even much lower. So we really saw a pretty good reversal there. And I was surprised with it because honestly, we do see it really coming back into the trend line. So it honoring what's going on technically makes sense. But I just felt that based upon this gap down and it getting, just really retracing the prior pivot low, wasn't able to really break too far over that and starting to swing deeper in here along with the momentum and the lack of momentum to the upside. I thought it gave a pretty good odds that we were going to see the continuation there. So that was a little bit it took me a little bit off my guard here today. But again, it does make sense as it snaps back. It tries to kind of rally back, but it does look like there's some strong momentum there. But unless we really break through that trend, you can't be anticipating a long-term trend change here. But it has improved greatly on the short term here. But my concerns were this breaking through many of these prior lows, and then it not having enough real time to kind of sell off as it did that. So again, I'm still a little bit cautious here because yes, this can kind of come back, but still be in a downtrend from a long-term downtrend, which it is still has been in some kind of sell-off here. I'm still not 100% behind it, and because it's a kind of a it's a situation where not as comfortable here with what's going on because it's really coming back to the trend line. It still has, I think, some potential for some sell-off, but it did take a nice little bounce here. We'll see if it can follow through to the upside.